In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build a one-page website using AI. With a simple drag and drop website builder, you can create a stunning website without any coding knowledge. Here's what we'll cover from start to finish. First, getting your domain name and website builder set up. Second, creating your one-page website using AI. Then, fully customizing your single page website, designing your website logo and icon, and lastly, creating a navigation menu that jumps to sections of your page. And remember, your website will load quickly, keeping your visitors and Google happy. Without any further ado, let's start with the video. As you see, Hostinger offers two website builder plans, the premium and the business. Both plans comes with a free domain name, free email account, a drag and drop editor, 150 pre-made templates, marketing integrations, also mobile editing, money back guarantee, and 24/7 customer support. The customer support of Hostinger is top notch. The major difference between these two plans is that the business plan comes with these AI tools like the AI image generator, AI writer, blog generator, also AI heat maps, and AI SEO tools. These three AI tools are important for my work, so I recommend you to go with the business website builder plan. Click on choose plan. Here you can select your subscription from 1 year to 2 years to 4 years. With the 4 years, you get 3 months for free and a renewal price per month that is cheaper compared to 2 years or just 1 year. After that, fill in your email address and password here to create your account. As you can see, your personal information is optional, so you can skip them. After that, check the total you will pay and fill in your credit card information here. After that, all you need to do is to click on this Submit Secure Payment. If you want to pay with PayPal, you can select it from this list. Then click on Checkout using PayPal. After completing your payment, you will be automatically redirected to your Hostinger account. From your Hostinger account, click on Websites, then Add Website. Select Hostinger Website Builder. Now click on Start Creating to use AI to build your website. Select your website type from this list. Let's go with a landing page. Give your website a name, for example, Ben's website. This is a very creative name. For here in the description, you can describe your website idea like if you are describing it to your website designer, for example. For example, create me a one page website for me as a web designer with sections like about me, my work, contact me, gallery. As you can see, my description is great, and under personalization settings, you can pick your color from this list of colors or to pick them manually. You can also go with surprise me. In my case, I will go with these three colors. Then hit create a website. This is the result I got using this prompt. As you can see, this is a big background photo, some sections that I definitely need to edit, a work gallery, Instagram feed integration, creative designs, get in touch with me, and a footer. It is not exactly what I wanted, but it's something good to start with. Now let's see how to fully customize this one-page website. Customizing your website in Hostinger Website Builder is super easy. Let's start with adding a sticky bar to your website. With your mouse, hover over this header section and click on add sticky bar. Double click this text, then fill in your text. For example, get a free consultation for your next project. Call us at or call me at this number. To make something bold, just double click it, select the part of the text and hit bold. Same thing with the phone number, make it bold. Now to distinguish this sticky bar from this header, let's give the sticky bar a color. Just select the sticky bar, click on edit section, click on this little color circle, pick your color just like that, then close this window. To preview your work, just click on preview, and this is your sticky bar at the top. As you can see, the header section is also sticky. I need to remove that. To do that, just go back to the editor, select your header section, click on edit header, and uncheck this option next to make header sticky. Close this window. Let's preview our work. As you can see, now only the sticky bar is sticking to the top. To edit the header of your website, just click on the header section, then go to edit header. A new window will pop up. You can make your header sticky or not. You can edit your header element spacing, the link spacing, and also top and bottom spacing. You can reorder your header elements using these templates. For example, the logo in the middle. Let's go with the first template. Under elements, you can show or hide different elements like the logo, social icons, and also a big button. For the logo, I will discuss it in a minute. And under style, you can edit the header, for example, to give it a transparent header, to pick your header color. You can also edit the text font and also the text color. Under button, you can edit the button text, for example, contact me. You can link this button to a page inside your blog or an external page, or to a section of your page, which we will use in this video. To edit the design of this button, scroll down a little bit. You can edit the fill color. Let's go with this color, for example. You can also edit the text color of the button. You can edit the border. Let's make the border width a little bit wider. For the text, I want it to be black, for example. Text color, click on select black from this list of colors. For the text size, I want to make it a little bit bigger. Same thing with the social icons. You can edit your social links. You can also edit the icon size and the icon colors. Now close this window. Now let's edit my navigation menu. These are the menus I want in my navigation menu: the home page, the about me, portfolio, services, and testimonials. We will not create a new page for each of these navigation elements, but I will make them jump to the exact section, for example. To create this navigation menu, click on Pages and Navigation, then click on Add Link. Fill in your navigation name, for example, About Me. I want to link to a section of our website that I will do later. Click on Save, then click on Add Link again. Repeat the same process for all of my navigation elements. Then this one is As you can see, my navigation menu updated instantly. Now let's see how to edit the background of this section. Just click on this section first and click on edit section. You can go with a color background, an image, or even a video from a library of videos. Let's go with an image. Click on replace image. Here you can upload your image from your computer or use the free images provided by Unsplash service. Let's say you are satisfied with this image. Click on add to page and it will be updated just like that. To edit the text of this section, just double click it. You can edit your text here, then select it again. You can edit the text color, this text style from heading 1 to paragraphs. You can also edit the font by even uploading it from your computer. You can edit the text size to make your text bold, italic, or underlined. And you can also add a link to this text. Same thing with this little description. To edit this button, just select it. You can resize it just like that, make it bigger, smaller. To edit this text, just double click it. A new window will open up. You can edit the text like that. For example, contact me. You can link it to a page on your website, another external page, or even a section of your website. Anything you see on your website, just double click it and you can start editing it. Before I go to the next sections, I want to show you how to edit your website for the mobile version. Now we are on desktop, click on mobile phone. This is your website in the mobile version, and any modifications you do here are kept for the mobile version. So let's, for example, resize this section, make it a little bit shorter, and let's go back to the desktop view. As you can see, this section was not touched in the desktop. Now let's create my About Me section. As you can see, this is a good section to work with. The only thing that needs is a big title. To do that, click on Add Element, select Text, and drag and move it just like that. Make it a little bit wider. If you want to have a little bit of space in your section, just use this section height tool. Now select all of your section elements and drag and move them just like that. Now double click this text and call it About Me. Here, to upload your photo, you can click on Edit Image, click on Replace Image, then upload your personal photo from your computer. Let's say you are this person. Click on Add to Page, and your photo will appear here. You can edit this text, this description, this button. Now let's move to the next section. I need to have a portfolio section. I think I have this section generated using AI. I can use it, so I can move it up just like that. Yes, it was moved up. It should be under About Me, so it's good. Let's call it portfolio. Let's make this About Me. Here you can showcase your portfolio. For example, if your site is about web design, here you can add some text under each image. Just copy it, make it paragraph 1, make it a little bit bigger, just here, and make it bold. Let's use 25. Let's make this section a little bit taller text here. You can duplicate it just like that. Now let's move to the services section. I want to add some contrast to this section because two sections have the same background. As you can see, this one has some colors, this one white, so this one should have some colors. Click on edit section. For the background, I will go with a color. Let's pick a lighter color like that, and I think this is a little bit nicer. For the services section, instead of editing one or building it from scratch, I will generate it using AI. To do that, just with your mouse hover between two sections, a new button will pop up. Click on add section. Go with generate section. Now describe your section. For example, create me a services section for my web design website. Here you can see an example of a section description. Then click on create section. Wait a moment. And this is your new section here. I think this blue color is a little bit darker. To make it a little bit brighter, just select this section. Click on edit section. Click on the color circle and move it up a little bit. Close this window. Now you can edit your services photos and descriptions. I think I don't need this section, so I will delete it. To do that, click on select first this section, then click on delete. Now I think this testimonials section. Let's same thing, click on add section. Here I will go with a pre-made section called testimonials. Now let's edit this title, for example, testimonials. Here you can edit the number of the stars, just delete one. Let's make it 5 stars. You can edit the text, the profile photo and profile name. Now let's see, or let's edit my get in touch with me or contact me section. Here what I want to do is to edit the background color. I want to go with something like that. To edit this form, just click on the form, then edit form. You can rename your form. You can also change your email address where you will receive email notifications after each form submission. You can view your form submissions from here. Under fields, you can edit the fields labels. Same thing with the placeholder text. You can edit the field type to make it an email field or a phone field. And you can make it required or not. You can also remove fields from here. Same thing with the other fields. To change this button text or design, just go to button. Here you can edit the button text. You can also edit the action or what will happen after a form submissions. For example, showing a message or linking to a dedicated thank you page. You can select it from here. Let's go with show a message. You can edit your message here. Under style, you can customize the submit button design. For example, let's make it a little bit bigger. You can also edit the form fields, for example, the text fonts, the label text size, the field text size. You can also edit the background to go with a color or not. To edit this photo, just click on it and hit edit image. And now this is your website footer. Here you can edit your website name. You can edit your website description. For the social links, click on edit social icons. Same thing, you can edit your social links or even delete a platform if you don't have it. You can edit this icon size and also the icon's color. After that, you should edit your contact ways, for example, your email here. Make it a little bit wider. Let's delete this one. And instead of this subscribe form, I will go with legal pages, for example, terms and conditions, then duplicate it and call it privacy policy. To create your legal pages with Hostinger, just go to pages and navigation, then click on add page. From this left side list, click on privacy policy, for example. Select this template, fill in your company name, for example, Benz LLC, and click on add page. And just like that, you have already privacy policy page with your contact information, email address, and your company name. As you can see, it is added automatically in your navigation menu. To delete this, to delete it from here, just go to pages and navigation and drag and move your legal page under hidden from navigation. As you can see, it is hidden now from the navigation menu. To create the terms and conditions, same thing. Click on pages and navigation, add page, then select terms and conditions, select the template, fill in your company name, then hit add page. And this is how to create your terms and conditions in Hostinger website builder. Same thing, go to pages and navigation and drag and move it under hidden from navigation. Now let's add links to these legal pages in my footer. First, double click this text, then hit link. Select a page and click on terms and conditions. Click save, same thing with the privacy policy. Click on link, select it from here and click save. I think my website is ready to go live. Let's give it a little check. To make your website available online, just click on this go live button and wait a moment. And now your website is live. Let's view it live. This is my sticky bar that sticks to the top. I still need a website logo, and also this navigation menu should be jumping to the exact section of my one-page website. This is my social link and my big button here. This is my first section with a button that redirects to the contact me page. Same thing here, I have an about me section. This is a portfolio where I show my work. This is the services page. This is also a testimonials section. Then we have my contact form section to make it easier for my website visitors to contact me. And in the footer, I have legal pages that redirects me to the terms and conditions or privacy policy. Now let's see how to add a logo to my website and also a website icon or favicon. Before we move to the next video chapter, I want to just remind you to please give this video a like and also subscribe. An easy way to create a logo for your website is using the Canva free version. First, click on Create Design, select Logo. Now search for your niche, for example, web design. Let's go with this logo. Double click this text and hit remove it in my design, just like that. I will make my logo a little bit bigger, so even when I make the whole slogan or the whole logo smaller, it will keep showing great, just like that. Now select my elements, download selection, and hit download again. Now from your Hostinger website builder, click on your website logo, then hit replace image, upload a new file, and select my logo just like that. Now I can make it a little bit smaller. Now let's see how to add a website icon. Go to website settings, click on general settings and hit favicon. Click on add image to upload it from your computer. If you don't have a favicon yet, you can use this simple website. It's called favicon.io. Click on generator from the top. You can give it a letter, for example. Since my website is called Ben's Designs, I will go with B. I will make my font size to 200. For the color, I will go with white and black. As you can see, you can preview your favicon here or directly from the window tab. Click on download. My favicon is downloaded in a zip format. Click on it to decompress it and head back to website builder in Hostinger. Click on add image, upload file, then locate your favicon on your computer. Click on select, then hit save. It's important to first hit save, then update your website. Now let's view my website live. This is my website logo and this is my website icon. Creating a navigation menu that jumps to different sections of your one-page website is easy with Hostinger Website Builder. First, you need to give each section a section name. First, select your section, then click on Edit Section. Give your section an anchor name, for example, About. Close this window. Go to Pages and Navigation. Next to the About Me navigation element, click on this little circle. Click on Link Settings. As you can see from link 2, I select a section, then select the About section. Hit Save. Now let's repeat that with the other sections. Edit section, give it an anchor, for example, portfolio. Close. Same thing with services. Anchor, services, close. The testimonials section. Select the section first, edit section, anchor, testimonials, close. For the contact me section, same thing, contact, close this window. Now let's go back to the navigation menu. Hit for the portfolio, click same thing, link settings, link to a section, portfolio, save, services, link to a section, services, the testimonials here. Let's update my website. Let's view my website live. Okay, let's click on About Me. As you can see, I was jumped to the exact section. Same thing with portfolio, services, and testimonials. As you can see, the jump is smooth. This Contact Me button is available under this header. So click on the header first, then click Edit Header, go to Style, select Button. For the link, it will link to a section, and let's select the contact section. Click on Update Website, View Website, and let's try this button. As you can see, I was jumped to the contact section.